Good morning to all of you and welcome to the show of that one. Here we are in my lounge getting prepared to get on a plane. So if you're probably wondering what's that behind me, we'll talk about that later. Point is, we're going to the airport today to go south to our undisclosed location. We're back on that one show doing what we do best, and that's how it's going to go down. It's going to be myself along with my lawyer as well. As I said, people just pop up in the car. I told him, I said, I brought my lawyer with me. Can't beat that. But anyway, we're headed to the airport to go to random states that are shaped like misformed objects. Yeah, Cam got kidnapped. He was behind us, and then they was like, no, you can't get through. And then that was it. We ain't seen where he went. Yeah, they kidnapped the lawyers here at the airport. You gotta be careful. Biggest case of them all. Right, it's the biggest case of them all. I've come to the decision that this is nothing more than a school bus with wings. Basically. It's like the one from Fortnite, almost. We invented teleportation on that one show. Pull to my crib, nigga, you know what I'm saying? With the blue Chevy SS out front, nigga. Me box sitting outside.
Okay, I'm going for the one.
Think about that while you're eating your grits. Welcome to Grits Geechee. Sometimes you gotta cut people out of life, out the picture, and out the frame. Geechee.
Think about that while you're eating your grits, bitch.
What? Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Got it. Easy.
So, sir, how long have you been using the workout plan?
Ever since I came down here with my Uncle Charlie, my life has changed.
Ever since then?
And I've been living a healthy lifestyle, eating bacon, motherfucking biscuits, all kind of shit. And I'm living good. I'm living real good.
Eat biscuits and bacon.
And so we now go to the innovator, the creator, the founder of the Kill King
What's
workout
going
plan.
on?
So how does it feel to have such a workout plan that's so innovative that no one's ever thought of it because they're so f***ing stupid?
Well, hey, I can't even say nothing. Simple shit. You get your exercise together.
Show me this contraption here. This is what you use for your sit-ups. Show me what this is. I heard this carpet is one of the purest fibers ever found. It's 100% ostrich anus hair from what I hear.
Actually, this came from the Egyptians.
Yeah?
And they imported
Actually, it's a fucking flying carpet.
Yeah. We stole this from Aladdin a long time ago. We robbed his ass with the motherfucker.
So this is called the Aladdin 5000. Is that what you're saying? I rub these dumbbells 3 times and the blue ass genie comes out, huh?
I know, huh?
Oh, okay, well, let's see what happens. Rub, rub, rub. And every time we come down here, it's just random kittens and shit. What's up, fella? And look at mama. Nice. Yes. We obviously made it to my house. I meant to do this yesterday, so I apologize because I got too wrapped up in catching up with everyone and catching up with these cockadoodle bastards right here named chickens. But we're home. Mission accomplished. Live on that one show once again down here in the country. We're going to feed the chickens with eggs.
And flour.
And flour. Watch this.
It ain't them niggas that act hard.
Here live on that one show with real chickens, you know what I'm saying? With real chickens. We put flour on, we actually accidentally poured flour on them, sorry, but we kind of did give them a precursor to their future, didn't we? What's up, MJ? You hungry? Bo, you see me? I see you. They're best friends. I'm trying to check for your bitch ass, but you know, But Bo will follow you. You know what I'm saying? Just say Bo and he'll come watch. Bo, come on.
God dog.
Speaking of God dog, there he is. There he is. Granny, if you didn't know you're on that one show now, how does it feel?
Huh?
How does it feel to be on that one show?
On what one show?
You're on that one show, Granny. How does it feel? If Morgan Freeman had a sister, it would not be my grandma. I'm just kidding. See, Granny, look what you made me do. You made me step on a dog. I'm sorry, pimp. You okay?
Stop taking my picture.
All right, I am. Kane that came around here. The Undertaker brother was over here.
Oh, Kane.
Kane was over here. I was like, I don't know how I feel. Cam here live, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I just want to let y'all know, if this was real life right now and I was playing Fortnite, here go the bricks to build. There, and there go some more bricks to build right there. There goes some metal right there to start banging on Fortnite. And then this will probably be some wood.
Where?
And then right here, some more metal. We can build a fort.
Where?
That's the fort I built right there. See? Yep, and we got cat bombs too. You know, we throw cats. MJ, come here, I got like a little pussy. We got pears growing on a tree. Shout out to the pear. Perrier. And we got wild grapes growing on the grapevine, aka the muscadine. This is where we get our wine from right here. Then we got flaxseed right here, growing from flaxseed. Show them what it is, Tark. You get a nature video here on that one show. We try to show people how to be self-sufficient and not get money from the government.
Oh, shit.
That's a different story.
Huh?
Chestnuts.
We got chestnuts, nigga, and then we got nuts on people's chins too, Granny. That's what we doing. Yep. Chin nuts and all that shit.
They go to figs over there.
And then there's figs over that way.
The rest of them are pecans.
Hell yeah.
They heat sensitive.
What you mean you can just have them big cherries that they grow up there?
Black cherries?
The big ones?
Yeah, the big
No,
black
they
ones with
heat
the seed in
sensitive.
it.
They heat sensitive.
I know they grow in the summertime.
Yeah, they heat sensitive. No, it's hot out here. What's hot?
Yeah, they do grow in Michigan and shit.
Exactly. Yeah, we got wild cherries right there now. We got our own wild cherries now.
No, I don't want them.
Exactly. I know exactly. Nigga, hell, it's goddamn. I always wonder what happened to the. They don't do fucking much. They go one right there and one right there. They don't. We got. Oh, that right here though. Oh, this the one you were eating on. It's right here. Here you go, right here.
It's gone.
No, it ain't. It's got some.
We used to eat up this bitch when we was little.
Talking about right here.
I swear it was further.
Right there.
Over there.
No, that's right there. It got pieces of oats out here.
We got oats, nigga.
Oats. Oats.
Hoodie Nut Cheerios from the hood. Hoodie Nut Cheerios coming soon on that one show. Yep. Ours gonna be chocolate. We're gonna have a light skin and a dark skin Cheerio.
Shit, yeah. Look at them peaches.
Growing out there in mud.
Hell yeah, the old fashioned peaches there. Them Georgia wild peaches.
Perrier. Here we are live. What you record? Here we are live on that one show, taking a little nature walk on the show.
We got some
We got a
vines,
field
we got
over
some
there.
grapes, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? It's a little bit of brush over here, and then on the other side of that brush is where I'm gonna build my house. Period. Uncle Tark, tell him how long I've been telling him I've been saying I'm gonna build a house over there.
God damn. I don't know, like what? About 3-4 years now.
Yep. And so we're gonna make it real. That's what we do on that one show. So yeah, my house is going, I don't know if y'all can see that field over there, but that's where I'm gonna build my shit in a couple years. Out of shipping containers with the fucking solar panels on their ass. Plum.
See the wild plum?
Plum.
Nasty.
What is it?
You nasty?
Fresh plum. A little tardy, you know,
Yeah, like I said, they ain't
but never late to the party. See what I did there? Bars. Hey guys, thank you for watching that one show. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe at the bottom of the screen. We're grateful for you guys watching. Come back and kick it again with us. Also, we drop the show every Tuesday and
Thursday.
And so, come back and kick it with us, man.
Yeah, become one.
Become one. Keep the horns blowing.
Make sure you guys like, subscribe, thumbs up, and share. And make sure you tell a friend, and to tell your mom.
The goal is to get 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Thank you guys for watching the show. We're grateful for you. See you next time.